And we position ourselves as a document collection and data capture solution. We're at the very, very front end of accounting, kind of pre-accounting in the sort of the bookkeeping and processing space, if you like. So we'll jump in and just give you a bit of a better idea on exactly what I'm talking about. Now, to just put it into context, it's good to have a think about what your current state might be when it comes to getting your hands on things like bank statements, supplier invoices, bills, receipts, and your current process for getting your hands on those and how you might manage those in terms of storage, filing, everything like that. We know that a pain point can be getting your hands on the right information at the right time when it comes to finding that particular supplier invoice that someone's just asked you about, or finding that bank statement from that month, logging onto online banking, all that kind of stuff. That can be a real pain point. But instead of spending time doing that, instead of spending time chasing, collating, filing, organizing your documents, Hubdoc will do that for you. You can automate the process of getting all of the documents you need from a financial perspective to run your business into one place automatically using Hubdoc. And we also eliminate data entry when it comes to processing and data entry for bookkeeping as well. So what I mean more broadly is that Hubdoc will give you the tools to automatically submit all of the key financial documents that you need to run your business into Hubdoc. So we'll give you a mobile app, so anything paper receipts, paper documents, paper invoices, anything like that, you can snap a photo. Anything that's emailed to you, you can just forward them straight into Hubdoc. But what people truly love about us and what makes us very, very different is our ability to automatically fetch that document for you. So we can fetch your telco bill from Spark, we can fetch utility bills, we've got a whole range of industry suppliers, Farmlands, FarmSource, Mitre 10, to name a few. We'll actually go and fetch that bill, we'll bring it into Hubdoc, we'll automatically file everything for you, and then where the magic happens is we're actually going to automatically extract the key financial data from that document and then code and create that purchase, that bill, that spend money transaction in Xero to give you access to like one-click bank reconciliation so that you're not having to do that data entry, you're not having to do that coding anymore. Okay, so logging into your Hubdoc account, it is separate from Xero at the moment, so it's going to look something similar to this. Just to walk you through that dashboard layout to make that nice and clear for you, on the left-hand side is that automated filing cabinet. So every document that comes into Hubdoc will be automatically filed. Things like bank statements, credit card statements, loan statements will all be filed by account name or account number. And then all of your supplier documents, bills, receipts, invoices will be filed by supplier name automatically. In the middle is the stream of all your documents and the document status icons there. And then to the right of that is the document view. So you can see that Spark bill there on the right-hand side. So in terms of getting documents into Hubdoc, do that in several different ways, taking photos on the app, emailing documents in, uploading from the computer. But like I said, what people love about us is the ability to automatically fetch documents. And we do that using connections. So for every bank, for every supplier, you need to create a connection in your account. We've got 150 connections in New Zealand at the moment. We'll talk about that list in a minute. Once you've entered those, what you'll see Hubdoc do is perform a historical fetch. So we'll get you some historical data into Hubdoc as well. So you've got sort of a year's worth of stuff in there as well. So moving forward, if anyone asks you, you've got sort of a backlog of stuff that you can access as well. We'll pull through all of the accounts available, create the account folders here on the left-hand side, and file the statements away in their appropriate folder so you know exactly where they are as and when you need them. But with supplier documents, we're going to do something quite different. We want to get the data that sits on that supplier bill, on that supplier invoice, flowing into Xero, making that nice and easy for you. So Spark bill there. On the right-hand side, you will see that Hubdoc's already extracted the key financial data from that Spark bill. So we'll extract the supplier name, the date, the total amount, and the invoice number where available. We'll extract the correct amount of GST. And because I've published a Spark bill previously, in this Hubdoc account, these rules that I set up for that when I first published it have been remembered and applied again. So that all I'm doing here to get that data into Xero and create that purchase is hit publish. So there's that data entry free and code free workflow that I said we've created. What you can do to take that automation a step further is actually configure what we call auto sync. And that essentially just means auto publish, auto post. And that just means that Hubdoc will just push that across without you having to do anything. We recommend doing that on things like recurring bills, recurring transactions that are simple, so always the same line item, always the same account code, always a single line item. Just set those up to auto sync and let Hubdoc push them all through for you. And then just to show you that filing cabinet that we talked about at the beginning, as soon as Hubdoc recognizes that supplier name, it will file that document away in its supplier folder automatically. So keeping everything nice and organized and easy to find for you. In order to get started, just have a chat to one of your wonderful BFA client managers.